thanks to Saraswat Hospital.
This is our best decision.
Yeah, of
that
course.
we
This
came
is
here.
our best decision.
This is the best.
Hello, I'm Dr. Amit. I'm a physician and I'm working in Dehradun.
Hello, myself Dr. Jyoti. I'm an ENT surgeon and I'm from Dehradun.
So a few months back we have decided that we want to go with the hair transplant course. So we have searched everywhere.
We search everywhere, every possible center we can search. So at lastly
we came to know that some of our friend also suggested about the Saraswat Hospital, which is
and I searched so
run by
much
the
in Google and
Google.
everywhere.
So lastly we came to know that Dr. Satya Saraswat and Dr. Preeti Saraswat they are running
are the best doctors for hair transplant course.
So lastly we have decided to go with the Saraswat Hospital and we have joined the course.
And here we are sharing our experience.
Yes. So about the experience we have when we have joined the course. So
first of all, the classes was very good. The very systematic. They arranged all the academic material.
Yes, and they have given every single detail about the hair transplant.
Before we came here, till then the classes, we finished all our classes, and as soon as our classes are finished, they call us for hands-on training in this center.
And the training was excellent, and they have given every single detail about the hair transplant and
the procedure.
Yes, about the procedure.
Since start till end, they give all the possible detail what they given to their students, and not us. All over, students are coming from all over the world. Like next batch is already planned, and next to next batch is already planned.
And about the hands-on practice, I think I'm fully satisfied with the hands-on practice. So they have given every single detail about the how to done with the how to go with the hair transplant procedure, and how to take the patient and how to deal with the patient. So everything.
First of all, starting since the consultation.
Yes,
this is
about
very
the consultation,
important. This is the very
about
important.
the trichoscopy. I have learned every step about the trichoscopy and how to make a hairline of the patient.
The hairline designing.
Yes.
They told us everything.
Yes,
About
OT,
the pre-op procedures
us,
and intra procedures and post-op care.
Post-op care, everything they have explained us so well. So I'm fully satisfied with the course.
Instruments.
Yes, they have world-class instrument. I must say, they have
And they teaches us with the same instruments.
Yes, and they are technique which they are using. FUE technique, which is very, I think, advanced technique which they are using.
They are doing both techniques.
Both
they are doing both technique, but they are masters in FUE now.
Yes.
They are doctors. Even the patients are coming all over the world.
Yeah, of course. And I just want to say thanks to Saraswat Hospital
and their team.
Yes, and their team.
The team is very talented.
Very talented, very cooperative.
Very cooperative. And
yes.
They also knows everything about the procedure, what is going to do. They are doing.
Lastly, I want to thanks to Saraswat Hospital.
This is our best decision.
Yeah, of course.
We came
this
here.
is our best decision.
This is the best decision.
So I want to thank Saraswat Hospital for
Dr.
teaching
Satya
us.
Saraswat and Dr.
Satya Saraswat especially, and
we
Dr.
are
Preeti
very,
Saraswat.
very, very thankful to you.
Yeah, they are very humble and
very humble, humble.
Very welcoming.
And very experienced, very welcoming.
Doctor.
So we are just want to say that if anybody wants to do this course, just please consider once.
Yes.
Just consider once and just
want to say thanks.
Thank you.